Hey, what's up everybody? This is Gus from Metro Mazda. I'm here on this beautiful day to talk to you guys about our automatic lift gates, okay? So besides pressing the button that's located on your driver's side to the left, and obviously through doing it through your key, there's actually a button that you can choose for that option. If you guys need to grab it through the back, all you would have to do is look under this Mazda logo right here, and then underneath here will actually be a button that you can press that will lift the automatic lift gate, okay? Simple as that. If you guys need to close it, there's actually a button underneath the trunk on top, and it will actually signal it to go down. All you'd have to do is just press it down. Easy, simple as pie, right? And then let's just say you guys need the lift gate to not go up all the way up too high, because let's just say garage door is just the ceiling is a little bit too high, and let's just say, you know, we're all coming in different shapes and sizes, me including myself. So let's just say you guys want to lift this lift gate, and you guys just want it to get set right here. All right, all you would have to do is just do a long press on this button till you hear this noise, and then all you would have to do is, once you hear that noise, simply bring it down. And then now the next time when you guys use your lift gate, now it will be set where you guys had it at. So if you guys have any other questions,